Hey, it's Allie. I got my Ipsy. Got it yesterday, but I can't wait on things. So here is the bag for April. It's really pretty. My daughter already asked me for it, but I think I'm going to use it the rest of this month until I get my next one, possibly. This is the first item I see. It is by Vilgora Paris. It's a meso mask, Lucent Illuminator, Smoothing Radiance Mask. Smells really good. It's a white cream, and it's really smoothing. The card for this month. It is Social Butterfly. It says, fact, life's too short to skip all the fun stuff happening right now. And then the next item I see is by Trust Fund Beauty. It says that liquid glow though, and it's in the color Lit. It's hard to push out. And it seems like it pushes down really far, so don't know if this is supposed to be full size or what, but it doesn't, I don't know. But that glow though, look at that. That is beautiful. I still have a swatch on from another item that I had earlier. Right there, so disregard that. I like that. Ipsy is a subscription every month. You pay $10 and you get 5 deluxe or sample size, sometimes full size products in your bag every month. I have been getting it for a while and I don't think I will want to ever cancel, so make sure you go and subscribe for that glam bag. I am being so weird today. I don't know. The next item I see is by Meech and Mia. It's in the color Copper. And I already took the stopper thing. Whoop! I'll be right back. Okay, I already took the stopper off of it, and I don't know if you can see how much that is shining, but it's very pretty. I am so clumsy, I swear. I'm afraid even holding this right now. And I'm going to swatch this. Okay, disregard the glow. Hold on. Yeah, I think that is so pretty. I actually really like this. I wish you could see how much is shining in here. Pretty. I see is by NYX. It is a soft matte lip cream. It's in the color Stockholm. That's pretty. And it's so creamy. I like that. I don't know if it'll dry down, but either way, I like NYX. And the last thing I see is by Ruby, and it is a blending brush. I love getting brushes. And there is the name of it. Oh yeah, this would be a great blending brush. I love brushes. Anyways, that was my Ipsy bag. I think I'm pretty satisfied with it. Yeah, I'm excited. Let me know what you guys got in your Ipsy. See you next time.